DART is a public benefit corporation in California that is focused in jobs growth and supporting the continued expansion of these emerging technologies, both for the benefit of the industries that we engage in, like agriculture, as well as our communities. So we want to make sure that our community members have access to jobs in these emerging sectors. The drone technology has been around for some time. I mean, drones simply are aerial robots in a simple framing. And for ag, there has been a well-established use case in scouting and mapping of agricultural land. Yeah, the show's been amazing. They do a great job of connecting the different components of ag tech. The strength of the connections that have been made with our partner this year, Hawk Tower VC, and their concept for a on-farm robotics incubator called the Reservoir Farm. That has really brought a lot of energy and attention, and there's just been some great connections made between ag tech developers and the VC world there. People are inspired by this idea, and that's a great outcome for us. You know, I think the enthusiasm of the attendees, the interest in the drone platforms, and you know, I expect that as we did last year, we will continue to hear about the new business that was generated for our members, and through that, we achieve our goals of continued economic development here in California.